what are the key metrics that are important for us to know in order to choose a specific social media platform. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rita. I'm a digital marketing expert from Israel, and I work in this industry for more than 12 years now, helping out clients to create a perfect story and to promote it on social media. So let's start. First key metric that I would like us to understand is demographics. Demographics, or in other words, someone who is using this platform. Why is that important? For example, if we're going to take Pinterest, I know that more women are using Pinterest than men. If we're going to talk about TikTok, I know that average age of users on TikTok are from 10 to 19. And that's why these factors are very important for me in order to choose the ideal social media platform for my product or service. Because if I'm looking to target men or to target women, I need to choose a good social media platform that will allow me to reach those people. Another key factor that we need to concentrate on is targeting options. If I have my ideal customer profile, I know a lot of things about my ideal customer. Where they're from, how old they are, what do they like, what are they afraid of, and so on. And that's why when I have that customer profile, I would like to target most of these things. And when I want to advertise on social media, I need to be able to have these characteristics in my targeting options. I need to be able to advertise by age, by gender, by different interest groups, and so on. I need to have all of these options in order to reach the most ideal customer profile. The next key metric that I should know of is marketing strategy. What kind of marketing strategy different social media platforms have? Is it B2C, B2B? Is it push or pull advertising? We're going to talk about all of this in our next lesson. Another key metric that is important for us to understand is advertising type. If I already have my ideal customer profile, but I can create a content that is suitable for the specific social media platform, I am in trouble. If I'm going to choose TikTok, for example, and TikTok has only videos on the platform and I can't create one, or I don't know how, I didn't do it before and I'm just starting, I'm just learning, and I'm more comfortable in creating images instead or text content instead, I need to consider these things before I choose my platform. Because if I'm going to choose TikTok, I'm just going to waste my time if I can't create a decent video piece. And these are main key metrics that I need to understand when I'm choosing my social media platform.